Yeah, okay, I know. Lupe has super long nails, and they're really thick, and they grow really fast. And although I was grinding her nails a lot, I wasn't really getting anywhere, even though I used the heavy grit. I have a fine grit now. She's asking me to continue. And one of the things I was trying to do when I ground her nails was I was going directly into the nail this way. I don't know if you can see that. I'll try to zoom in a little bit. Like so. But I've since learned that it's best to kind of go around the nail, around the outsides. I'm going to try to get it close up here, and you'll see that I'm kind of just shaving off bits of nail with the grinder. And now I can use a finer grinder, and I don't have to grind so hard on her nails. Can you get it now, you think? And there's a close-up of what it looks like as I'm grinding it. You hit the camera, Bubba. You bet you do. Yeah, good, Mama. Before I was going straight into the nail, like so, but instead I should have been dremeling around